Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time seeing me on your screen, hi. In today's video I'll be doing this beautiful Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing how I'll be creating this whole Valentine's Day makeup look, continue to watch this video till the end. Hi guys, so I already cleaned my face before I started this video. The first thing I'll be using is my moisturizer, and I'll be using this Neutrogena moisturizer like so. I'll be using this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer to prime my face. This is actually a mattified primer, and for a Valentine's Day look, you want to make sure your makeup lasts longer, so it's good to look for a mattified primer. That way it will help secure your makeup for a longer period of time. So you already know I like applying powder before outlining my brows. So I'll be using this LA Girl eyebrow gel to outline and fill in my eyebrows. This is how it looks like. It's a brow pomade. Yeah, I know my brows are not looking that beautiful. That is why I need to conceal them. And to conceal these brows, I'll be using these two shades. One is from CoverGirl in the shade Golden Amber, and the other one is from L'Oreal in the shade Honey. So I'm gonna use these two to conceal my brows. I'm gonna use this brush to buff the concealer into my skin. So these concealers are actually very mattifying, that they dries down very fast. So you want to make sure you blend the first part before you move to the next part. If not, it will be difficult for you to blend once you're done with all the side. So I'm just gonna conceal the upper part. So once you're done, always make sure you blend the space in between your brows in order to avoid having a unibrow. I'm gonna go in with this other lighter shade of concealer as my eyeshadow base. And remember to blend it very fast before it dries down. Now it's time for eyeshadow, and I'll be using this my Beauty Glaze Color Studio eyeshadow palette. It's been a while that I used this, so I've decided to use it again today. I miss this palette so much. It looks so new to me, but that's fine. I'm gonna use these beautiful colors I'm seeing there because I want a little bit of color. Using this brush, you can see how the brush is like. You can see how this beautiful eyeshadow palette looks like. This is from Beauty Glaze, and the name of this eyeshadow palette is Color Studio. I'll be going in with this shade right here, this pink shade. This palette is so pigmented. So right now I'll be using the same brush, and I would like to extend the eyeshadow a little bit upward, being very light-handed with the whatever is left on the brush. So what I'm doing is just trying to blend the edges of the pink shade I just applied. I'll be mixing these two shades to apply it on my outer V or my outer corners. Okay, so now I will be using this other brush, and I'll be picking this shade. I'll be picking this shade to blend everything together. Now I'll be using my first brush to pick the pink shade because I lost a little bit of the pink. I'll be going back with it to intensify that pink. So I have this eyeliner with me. I've never used it before, and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna try it today. I just hope it doesn't mess everything up. So guys, I'm used to liquid liner to a fault. I'm not really comfortable with this, so I'm gonna grab my liquid liner and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I'm sorry it didn't really work for me. I'm sorry for those who love that so much. It didn't actually work for me. I just grabbed my NYX liquid liner. Be using this Juvia's Place foundation. This one is in the shade 340. This foundation I like to apply and blend in immediately. Now I'm gonna use this CoverGirl True Blend concealer in the shade Soft Tan to highlight my face. Now I'm done blending the concealer on my face. I'm going to set it because you want to make sure you set it after blending. And I'll be using this Juvia's Place setting powder. This one is in the shade Sahara. Now that I'm done setting it, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I didn't actually do cream contour, which is actually fine. If you want to go in with your cream contour, that is fine. If you don't want it, that's fine. So I'm gonna go in and powder contour my face. And to do so, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution bronzer. This one is in the shade Cappuccino. I'm gonna use it to contour my face. Just gonna use my beauty sponge to press it into my skin. For my blush, I'll be using this Saharan blush from Juvia's Place, and I'll be using the pink shade right here. So for my waterline, I'll be using this shade of eyeshadow. It's actually a black shade. I'm gonna use the pink shade to smoke it out. Next, I'll be using this pencil brush and I'll be picking this shade to apply it on my inner corners. So because of the eyeshadow color, I have like pink eyelashes, so I'm just gonna darken my lashes with mascara. Now I'm gonna move on to my highlighter, and I'll be using this one from the Makeup Revolution. To spray my face, I'll be using my Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is the matte finish on. So for my lips, I'm gonna start by lining it with this NYX lip liner. Now I'll be going in with this lip gloss.